Conversations in the Enchanted Forest. In a small village nestled between the mountains and the sea, lived a young girl named Lily. One sunny morning, Lily decided to explore the nearby forest, which was rumored to be enchanted. As she walked deeper into the woods, she heard a voice. "Lily, hello? Is someone there?" Voice, "Over here." Lily followed the voice and found a small, talking rabbit. "Hello. My name is Thumper. What brings you to the Enchanted Forest? I was curious about the stories I've heard. Is it true that this forest is magical?" Thumper, "Oh, indeed. This forest is filled with wonders. Would you like me to show you around?" "Yes, please. I'd love that." Thumper led Lily to a beautiful glade where tiny fairies flitted about, their wings sparkling in the sunlight. One fairy, named Aurora, flew over to greet them. "Welcome, Lily. We fairies have been watching over this forest for centuries. It's a pleasure to meet a human who appreciates its beauty." "Thank you, Aurora. Everything here is so magical. Do you have any special powers?" "We do. Each fairy has a unique gift. I can make flowers bloom with a single touch." "That's amazing. Can you show me?" "Of course." Aurora touched a wilted flower and it instantly sprang to life, petals vibrant and colorful. "Wow, that's incredible." As they continued their journey, Thumper and Lily came across a wise old owl named Oliver, perched on a tree branch. "Oliver, greetings, young traveler. What brings you to my part of the forest?" "Hello, Oliver. I'm exploring the Enchanted Forest and learning about its magic." "Ah, curiosity is a wonderful thing. I can share many stories and wisdom about this forest. Do you have any questions?" "Yes, I do. Is there any danger in the forest?" "There are a few challenges, but nothing too dangerous if you have friends like Thumper and Aurora. Always trust your instincts and be respectful of nature." "Thank you, Oliver. I'll remember that." Thumper then guided Lily to a secret pond hidden deep within the forest. The water was crystal clear, and fish of all colors swam gracefully. "This place is beautiful, Thumper. So peaceful. It's one of my favorite spots. We call it the Serenity Pond. It's said that if you make a wish here, it will come true." "Really? I'll have to think of a special wish." "Remember, Lily, the magic here works best when your heart is pure and your intentions are good." "I understand. Thank you for sharing this with me." As the sun began to set, Thumper, Aurora, and Lily arrived at a massive tree with glowing leaves. Tree known as the Mystical Tree was the heart of the forest's magic. "Oliver, this is the Mystical Tree, Lily. It holds the essence of all the magic in the forest. Would you like to speak to it?" "Speak to a tree? How?" "Aurora, just place your hand on its trunk and close your eyes. The tree will sense your presence and communicate with you." Lily did as Aurora instructed and felt a warm, gentle energy flow through her. Mystical Tree. In Lily's mind, "Welcome, young one. What is it that you seek?" "Lily, I seek to understand the magic of this forest and to protect it." "Your heart is pure and your intentions are noble. The magic of the forest will always be with you, guiding and protecting you." "Thank you, Mystical Tree. I will cherish this experience." As night fell, it was time for Lily to return home. She thanked Thumper, Aurora, Oliver, and the Mystical Tree for their kindness and wisdom. "This has been the most amazing day. Thank you all so much. Come back anytime, Lily. The forest will always welcome you. And remember, we're always here if you need us." Farewell, young one. May your journey be filled with wonder and joy. Goodbye, my friends. I will never forget this magical place. With a heart full of gratitude and wonder, Lily made her way back to the village, carrying the magic of the Enchanted Forest with her. She knew that no matter where life took her, she would always have a special place to return to, filled with friends and magical adventures.